Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurement, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try to not move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the blood oxygen level icon, this one, the one on the left side of the screen. Tap on this icon to open the blood oxygen widget, and now I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the watch should start measuring the blood oxygen levels automatically. Let's wait. It might take a couple of seconds. And once the watch vibrates, and here we have it, that's our result. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.